perfect mix of luxury and style, this is the MDX A-Spec. Let's take a quick look at some of the features of this SUV. 20-inch A-Spec wheels, exclusive A-Spec badging, darkened headlights and taillights, LED fog lights, super handling all-wheel drive with torque vectoring, a sophisticated A-Spec interior and A-Spec steering wheel, room for 7 passengers, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, remote engine start with vehicle feedback. Now, for a closer look at the MDX A-Spec. First, looking at this striking athletic exterior, we see a successful styling blend between sport and luxury. The MDX features A-Spec badging, dark shadow jewel-eyed LED headlights and taillights, LED fog lamps, Acura's iconic diamond grille, and dark chrome accents that complement the A-Spec 20-inch alloy wheels. The A-Spec sporty style continues to the rear of this MDX. Large dual exhaust tips and the rear spoiler are in keeping with its aggressive look. Inside, there are ample cargo space that's increased when the 50-50 split third-row seats are folded down. This adds to an already impressive 447 liters of cargo volume, transforming it into over 2,500 liters of flexible storage. Hidden under this floor, there is room for you to secure even more items. Under the hood, we find a direct-injected 3.5-liter iVTEC lightweight V6, capable of producing 290 horsepower and 267 foot-pounds of torque. Fuel economy numbers for city and highway driving combined are 11 liters per 100 kilometers. Driven by power and performance, the A-Spec's 9-speed automatic transmission and Acura's super handling all-wheel drive make for a spirited yet comfortable driving experience. Acura understands the importance of keeping you and your passengers safe. Among the standard passenger and child safety functions, the MDX A-Spec features the Acura Watch system for safe operation and driver assistance, which includes blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision warning with collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, and road departure warning, just to name a few. The MDX is also equipped with parking sensors that will help get you into those tight spaces. Your MDX comes standard with a bi-directional key fob that allows you to communicate with your vehicle for a number of functions, including remote start and Acura's walk-away auto lock system. This feature will automatically lock your doors and tailgate when you walk away from your vehicle, adding an element of convenience and peace of mind. Once inside this MDX A-Spec, you are met with an interior that is both elegant and sporty. The seats are finished with Alcantara and leather trim with eye-catching high-contrast stitching. The 12-way adjustable driver's seat and side mirrors are linked to your key fob for a personalized driving position and perfect for multiple drivers. The seats are both heated and ventilated to keep you comfortable in any season. For the discerning music lover, the available ELS Studio Premium audio system is capable of delivering quality and rich audio fed through 10 well-placed speakers. The dashboard area has a clean, sleek design that is well laid out, well labeled, and easy to use. In the center, this on-demand, multi-use display allows you to exercise complete control over audio, climate, and other functions with simple shortcuts, all from this 7-inch touchscreen display. Below the screen is this array of tactile buttons that will also allow for quick control of comfort features while on the go. Just below the center display, you will find the integrated dynamic system. Choose between normal, comfort, and aggressive sport modes to suit your environment and driving style. Along with large cup holders and USB charging ports, there are plenty of storage options in the MDX to secure your belongings. More sporty features like these custom A-Spec gauges and steering wheel mounted paddle shifters round out this already sophisticated cockpit. The luxurious feel continues into this roomy middle row of seating, where passengers can control climate zone settings as well as use the available USB ports to charge your devices. Acura's one-touch walk-in entry allows for easy access to the third row of seating. Just one touch of this button, and the seats automatically move forward to accommodate even more passengers. The premium feel of elegant luxury, aggressive sporty styling, and seating for 7 make the Acura MDX A-Spec trim the obvious choice for families and drivers alike.